This is my man 1000. He challenged me and 2 other artists to a thrift shop art battle where we had to find something interesting to paint on at a secondhand store and only had about 20 bucks to spend.
We could also keep this interesting and play for keeps. Like whoever the fans choose as the winner keeps the other 3 pieces of artwork. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I love that. I'm down.
That's cool.
Sounds good to me.
I picked up this serving tray. I know it's kind of flat and boring, but I had to ensure that I could make a solid painting. After 3 spins on 10's prompt wheel, we found out our pieces had to include a snake, a cupcake, and tattoos. I tried my best to incorporate all the concepts evenly while still being true to what I do. The other 3 artists really did their thing on their pieces as well, and if you want to see those pieces, go check out the original video. Painting a snake was way harder than I thought it would be. It was just way too many scales, and each scale had to have a shadow and a highlight. It was a lot. It took a while for me to develop a system for painting the scales, but once I figured it out, I started killing that shit. And about half of you that voted must have agreed because you see it.